What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got a brand new video for you we're working on a 2025 Ford F-150 Lariat. We're doing a 6-inch BDS lift kit on this with the Fox shocks, and then we're going to be doing some 37, 13, 50, 20 Nitto mud grappler tires on the factory wheels with some 1.5-inch wheel spacers. This truck is going to look amazing. I love this tire. I love BDS lift kits with Fox shocks. It's going to be great. So stay tuned for the process. I'm about to get out and show you what the truck looks like. So in a sea of GM trucks, you guys finally get an F-150. Trying to get a playlist going with just about every make and model of truck that we do. And I don't think I even have one on an F-150 or Ford. I mean, I have some 250 and 350 stuff, but the F-150s I'm definitely lacking. This truck is a great one though. Black and chrome, you can't go wrong with it. Has a nice chrome factory wheel on it. We're going to be putting that 37, 13, 50, 20 mud grappler on there, and it's going to change the entire look of this wheel, I promise. The truck's going to be great. Have a BDS lift kit. It's the best you can get for an F-150. Doing the Fox shocks. Best shocks you can get for it, in my opinion, as well. This is a crew cab, short bed, 4-wheel drive truck. I love it. It looks great. Chrome accents are just enough. I think Ford's a little bit more uniform with their trim packages. If you see chrome on the truck, you see chrome throughout, usually. You'll see a little bit of chrome trim here, chrome trim there. It kind of matches throughout the truck. On the side of the truck, you'll see chrome door handles, chrome steps, chrome wheels, chrome front grille. Makes sense. Still a GM guy at the end of the day, but I do love these F-150s. And I want to say I appreciate it to the customer for bringing the truck to me. We're about to get it pulled in right now. just like that, we got a same day situation. This F-150 is ready to go. We did the 6-inch BDS lift kit on it with the 37-inch mud grapplers and the wheel spacers. The truck looks amazing. It's really, really big. The tires are really, really tall and wide. I hope the customer loves this. I think it turned out amazing. I'm about to show you what we ended up with. Here's our beautiful F-150. Feels weird saying that, but I could definitely get used to it. I like these trucks a lot. As time goes by, I feel like Ford's definitely improved the F-150s. When I was a kid, I really didn't like the Fords, I'll be honest with you. I was always a Chevy guy. But now that everything is getting bigger and newer and you can put bigger tires on everything and there's lift kits for everything, I'm starting to really like the Fords a lot more. GM, for some reason, have always had more options to do aftermarket, like lift kits, wheels. There's been more wheel companies. There's been more just accessories in general for them. I don't know why that is. This truck turned out really nice. We used the factory 20-inch wheel on it. You don't have a whole bunch of poke, but we did put 1.5 inch spacer, so you have just enough. Everything turns and clears all the way. We did have to trim some on the truck. We did trim a little bit of the bottom of the front bumper right there. Very, very hard to see. And then on the back, we trimmed some of the fender well right there. F-150s come with a crash bar, so do Broncos. Those have to be trimmed. We do paint over the edges that are cut so there's no rust or anything like that. There's the one in the front. Here's that Fox 2.0 strut that I always talk about. It's a snap ring strut, as they call it. It's adjustable from 4 inches up to 6 inches, so it's really nice. It utilizes the factory coil spring and top hat and everything. This is the factory upper control arm on this as well. BDS has the really, really nice cross member. That's what it looks like on the Ford. A little bit different than the GM, but it's still pretty similar. Looks amazing. The axle angles are great on this. That's that Fox snap ring strut again, right there. BDS makes one of the strongest lift kits that we can sell. You don't really have a whole bunch of options when it comes to Ford. I would have to say BDS is the best option for this truck. They put a nice badge on the sway bar drop bracket as well. I think that looks pretty cool. We have our Fox 2.0 in the back here. They do a block and U-bolt here for the lift kit, and then there is a ride height sensor on this truck from the factory that is relocated up from where it is originally. Overall, I'm really impressed with the truck. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. I'll attach a quote for this job right after this clip for you so you can see how much it would cost. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out. The number here is 678-994-9180. My name is Jake. We're at Southern Tire in McDonough, Georgia.